Oh, I could not have hit record at a more perfect time. Good afternoon. Welcome to Friday. I did a vlog earlier today in the car, but this is much better. And I'll cut in a second to some clips that Wifey took of Lil Oberon when he was awake, because now he's not. So, yeah, we're just enjoying our son oh so much. It's been kind of a crazy day. Today was his 1 week checkup, even though technically he's 8 days old, but, you know, close enough. He did great, passed with flying colors. The pediatrician lady was super impressed. He actually gained weight. Apparently they're supposed to lose a little bit of weight, but he gained some. So, not that he was that big in the first place. He's only 6'10", and now he's 7 pounds. So, yeah. But, of course, he did great, because he's awesome that way. You know, it's just the way Oberon is. So, anyway. Have a good Friday. See you Saturday, and here are the cute clips.
I'm so awake and active. 1 week checkup went good. I'm a healthy boy. Yay! Woohoo! Woohoo!
To edit that into my vlog.
Look at my awake time. Here comes Daddy with our lunch. Yummies. Hi, Dad. Oh, yummy. Look how awake I am.
Sit over